get a little update on Coco and her little babies. So Coco had 10 babies, and something happened to one of them. We don't have a clue what happened. We never found it. So the only thing we can think of is if it died and then she ate it. So we don't know. It's kind of a mystery, but those are her little babies, and they're so sweet. They're still much smaller than the others were at this age, so they're 2 weeks old, and they're just flopping around everywhere. Yes, they are. Look at that. Oh, 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 I did want to pet all of them because they're so sweet. Oh, this one looks just like her. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. So there was 3 that looked like her, and now we only have 2 after going back and looking at the videos to try to figure out, because we thought it was going to be one of the black ones because it was real puny. It turns out a black one's not what we lost. We lost one of the Harlequin ones. So still, it's a mystery. We don't know what happened. Just to come out one day and there was only 9. But check those out. They're just so sweet. They're still a little small compared to the others at that age, but I think Brian said they were hopping out of the box already. So anyway, just a little update, mamas. She just cringes when we walk over here, but she lets us pet the babies. Got Tulip with her 8 babies, eating out of the box. They get up in the hay trough, even though it's higher up. They get in there and they eat. So it's time. I believe it's almost time we're going to pull her box out. Give her a little more space with them for a couple more weeks. We'll probably give a couple more days with the box, and then we'll pull her box out too. So that's Tulip. Tulip and her little babies. Tulip and her little babies. Yeah, Tulip and her little babies. She's getting a little bit less protective because she's so crowded in there. And she's like, help me. Get me away from all these babies. They just climb all over her. But look at them eating the pellets. Probably need to add some pellets. Anyway, just a little update on them. The 2 youngest batches. Then we've got Lily's little tweens over here. Her little babies. Check them out, getting so big. I just pulled their nesting box out today. Yeah. She's probably loving that, having that extra space for them to roam around in. She's got a bunch of dark ones. Hers are all dark and gray, a little bit of brindle in one of them. Yeah, the little babies. So that's Lily and her little clan here. They're still in the maternity ward. We're getting ready to move some around. Then we've got these oldest ones that are like 9 weeks old. These are our 2 girls. They're almost butchering age. We're going to try to sell them at our local feed store. The ones that don't sell, when it's time to take Lily's babies up there, we'll pull out what has not sold and they'll go to freezer camp. So those are the 2 little girls of Pearls. And these are the 5 little boys of Pearls. Yeah. This one here is the friendliest one of all. Yes, he is. It's a lovely thing. He's just a lovely little thing. Just let you pet him. All them little white ones back there just hop around, but they're getting big. Now, if we sexed them right, those are boys. All these are boys. I got to get him burying his head. He's got a little bit of Breno in him. We were going to keep a boy. We would probably keep this one. Mix him with one of Coco's girls. See what one of her Harlequin girls, and see if we can't get some pretty coloring out of them. That one's just... Oh. Is it sleeping or is it eyes swelled up? Let me see, baby. Oh, no, it's fine. It's fine. They're fine. Yes, they are. Yes, they are. But they're getting big. They're 10 weeks old. We need to get them sold, or within 2 weeks we're going to be butchering. And then we've got Pearl, who is bred again. Hunter. Then we've got Trumper. It's a Trumper down here, yes. He is the most friendliest one. Always friendly. Always friendly, huh, Trumper? Yes, you are. You love to be petted, huh? Yes, you do. So, we're not quite ready to stop, flip you around, breeding just yet. I think we may, see, Pearl is bred. We'll breed Lily again, and maybe Tulip, but I don't know if we'll get to breed Coco again right now, because we want to be clear of any babies born in the summer. So we decided not to breed during the summer months, and preferably not have any babies during the summer months. Now, they could be babies 2 weeks or older that are going to be aged out and then go to for sale or for butchering. But no newborns being born during the summer months, so we got to plan it out just right so we don't have pregnant mamas and babies being born during the heat of the summer. So we'll get that figured out and go accordingly. But thank you guys for coming along on our update with all of our rabbits. And we'll see you guys on the next one.